He said that one last question. I said yes. Then he asked me, okay, there is a question for which I'm looking at answer to for last 5, 6, 7 years. Let me see if you can satisfy me. I said, sir, please. Then he asked me, ki, should we eliminate all the superstition in the society? Answer me yes or no. Then I said, sir, no. Then he asked me why. So you want me to say that you are a person who is superstitious? You are not logical. I said, sir, no, sir. I am not saying that. I am a logical person, but I don't think we should eliminate. Then he asked me why. Then I opened my answer like this: that sir, in the Sabrimala judgment, Honorable Supreme Court gave the judgment in favor of women by 4:1 majority. The dissenting judge, Justice Indu Malhotra, gave a very beautiful statement that when it comes to religion, we should keep the logic away because they may not exist together. And then I further explained this answer from my point of view that sir, superstition or religion is something that is very core to the people. Even our constitution recognizes that in Article 26 and 27. And religion does not only appeal to the to the people in general, but it appeals to the conscience of the people. There are many things which we can control by law, but there are many things which we cannot control by law. That is only to be controlled by the conscience, as also said by Mahatma Gandhi ji. And conscience can only be appealed by religion. Otherwise, the world would have been heaven till now. But it's not, because people are not towards that thing. So we should not eliminate. What we can do, and there is also a thing that when it comes to religion, we do not know a place where we can draw a line that yes, this is superstition, this is not a superstition. Because what may be superstition for me may not be for you, and vice versa. So it is a very gray area. We cannot justify that where to draw a line. And I think that is something that satisfied him. Then he asked me a follow-up question. Okay, tell me 2 situations when we should eliminate the superstition.